Hey, this is Similolu here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can own a piece of a company for just $1. No gimmicks, no hidden charges. How do I know? Because I actually have an account with this bank, and the bank is called Sofi. And Sofi is an online bank. Like more and more, we're having more and more of them in this day and age, in this 21st century. We don't have brick and mortar banks necessarily as it was 20, 30, 40 years ago. And so I have several online accounts that are purely online accounts, and they have served me very well over the last few years. Sofi is my most recent one, and I'm loving Sofi right now. For all the things it can do for me that a bank can do. It doesn't charge me charges, for if I go overdrawn, and it doesn't charge me to use my ATM at another bank or anything like that. So I'm kind of enjoying Sofi right now. But what I want to talk about in this video is how you can use your Sofi account to purchase stock. And not just stock, but fractional parts of a stock. Now today is the last day of January 2020, and today the price of Amazon shot right past 2,000. It's been hovering under 2,000 for at least a year. 1,700, 1,700, 18, 1,900, and it will go down again. And today, after its earnings, it shot all the way to 2,000 and something like $60 or something like that. And so, long story short, if you want to own a piece of Amazon, you'll need to drop over $2,000. But not with Sofi. With Sofi, if you want to own a piece of Amazon, you can do so. If all you have is $10, then buy $10 worth of Amazon. And I'm going to show you how I have been doing with this bank Sofi. The interesting part also, like a lot of banks anyway, you can download the app onto your phone, and you can have access to your investments on the go. Now, you do need, I'm going to leave 2 links in the description box below. One link to open a money account. So if you go to, first let's go to the home page. Home page will basically, give you an overview of your accounts. And here is my money account, and here is my invest account. And you need to open a money account with one of my links, and you get something. I think you get $25, and I get $25. Back 3-4 months ago, they were paying $100 to open an account. But, I guess they're feeling the pinch of the times. But now they've dropped it to $25. So that's, just neither here nor there. So open your money account with $25. And then once you've done that, you can open an invest account. Now with an invest account, because it is so called, they need you to drop $1,000 in your invest account for you to qualify to get a free $100 to spend on any stock of your choosing. Now you can have your invest account, and if all you have is $200, that's fine, that works, but you will not get the $100 worth of stock. You will get the stock, $100. I will get the $100 if and only if you deposit $1,000. But that's not really what this video is about. This video is about how you can use the account to pick up pieces of America. Yes. Okay. So we're going to click on my individual invest account, and I'm going to show you how I've done over the past 4 months. I don't even think I've had this account for up to 4 months. So here it is. I started it with $1,000 just so I could get that $100 worth of stock. I forget which stock I picked up. I picked it up. It wasn't doing well. I sold it, and I ended up with like $98. So it's cash. It ends up being cash in your account. And if you're not into stock buying, then buy the stock, sell it the next day, sell it 2 hours later, and walk away with the money. And that is completely above board and legal to do. But because I love to invest in stock, I didn't do that. And so all I've been doing since then is adding more money to my invest account to keep on purchasing stock. So here, over the past 3-4 months, I have made a total of $216. Now this is not a typical amount you will make, and this is just being transparent here. Most of that money came from, I think, the $100 that I got from the stock. I think that was part of it too. And then a lot of it has also come from Tesla. You know, so Tesla has been doing pretty well of recent, and so I invested in Tesla. I bought 2 shares of Tesla when Tesla was about $380. As of today, Tesla is trading at about $640. So you can see I kind of made a bit of money on Tesla. If you want to add money to your invest account, you click on that button. You add, I don't know, something. Let's add $20. And I want it to come from, I can have it come from my traditional bank account, which obviously you'd have to link your account to your Sofi account, or I can have it come from Sofi. From Sofi to my individual invest account. It says add money, and the beauty of that is, boom, $20 is now available. So you don't have to wait the 2 to 3 business days for money to move from one institution to another. It's there for you to use immediately, even though it's not actually there yet, which is a nice little aspect to it. And that's it. So that's for adding money to your account. I've also made $1.79 in dividends, which is nice because dividend is just pretty much free money, if you like. So I plan to make another video about dividend bearing stock, but that's not for today. So that's just an aside. And down here it will show you what your buying power is. So right now I can purchase $178 worth of stock if I so please. I have some pending orders. I think it's 1, and this one is on Tesla. It's a down day today, and usually on the down days, if there's stock that you're interested in, that you believe in, the company, you believe in the business model of the company, then it's a good idea on down days, on down stock days, to pick up more of that particular stock. And that's what I'm doing here with Tesla. So I have a pending order. If you click on it, what's going on here? Pending right there. So we'll move back. So we've done add cash, buying power, pending orders, unrealized gains. This is money in the value of the stock that you currently hold. This is the price of the market right now. Like I said, Tesla is trading at about $643 as we speak, and this was not the case 3 months ago. So this has been a good purchase for me. Nvidia is another company I believe in. I have bought stock and I have sold some because it's not doing too well right now, and I guess that's why I only own a fraction, like 0.99 of an Nvidia stock, but I'm definitely going to pick up more Nvidia and so on. So these are just my few selections here. Of course, for you got to know what you're doing on the stock markets, and YouTube is a very ready source of information, and so many various websites where you can pick up information on stock, how they're doing, when their earnings are, and things like that. Let's move back. Let's move. Okay, so the invest account, that's this one we're looking at right now. The home page we've gone to, and the money account, that's the checking account. If you're interested in loans, that's another nifty thing for you. You can with the loans, let me click on that. Apparently this bank started off, before they became a bank as we know it today, they started off as a student loan supplier. So they're kind of big in that whole student loan arena. And if you open a student loan account, you do get, I think it's up to $300. But that's for another day. Let's move on to that. You do get it's up to $300 if you take out a loan with them. And they do different loans. They started off with student loans, but they're into personal loans and mortgages and all that good stuff. But that's not for this video either. Let me see what else we have. Let's come out of activity, and I think that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it for the video, just to show you how you can own a piece of a company without necessarily doling out the complete full amount. Like I said earlier, Amazon, one stock of Amazon today would cost you and me over $2,000, but you can still own a piece of Amazon. I can still own a piece of Amazon. Actually, Amazon is another one I'm going to look into to purchase a portion of it as well. You know, I can own a $50 fraction of Amazon, and so I think that is a good way to diversify your investment portfolio. So, trying to keep the video short. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment box. In the link in the description box I have left, I will leave 2 links, and those 2 links, you can use those links to open a money account, and you can use the other link to open an invest account, and you will get compensation for both. $25 I believe it is to open a money account, and you will get $100 worth of money to purchase stock with when you open the invest account. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, and I hope to meet you in the next video.